ओलंपियन तथा किट छात्री सीए भवानी देवी को प्रदान करा जायछि अर्जुन पुरस्कार। पूर्वरु राष्ट्रपति अर्जुन पुरस्कार प्रदान करबा बेले भवानी देवी इटली जायथिले। एथिपई केंद्र क्रीड़ा मंत्री अनुराग ठाकुर पाखरु से एही पुरस्कार ग्रहण करिसेंती। किट छात्री भवानी देवी चलित वर्ष टोकियो ओलंपिक्स 80 चालनारे अंशग्रहण करथिले। देशर प्रथम महिला 80 चालक भाबरे से ओलंपिक्स योग्यता हासिल करथिले। निजर प्रथम मैच रे ट्यूनिसिया खेलाड़ी को परास्त करथिले। देश पई मेडल आनी नथिले भी देशवासी हृदय जीतिथिले भवानी देवी। एने तांकु किट पक्षरु समस्त सहयोग मिलिथिबारु किट और किस प्रतिष्ठाता डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत को धन्यवाद जणाइछंती। अर्जुन पुरस्कार ग्रहण करिबा परे भवानी देवी अधिक आलोचना करिछंती आम दिल्ली ब्यूरो चीफ आशुतोष राउत।
कलिंगा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्नोलॉजी रा छात्री भवानी देवी अर्जुन अवार्ड आज स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर अनुराग ठाकुर ठारू ग्रहण कर सारा कलिंग टीवी अच्छी। हाउ डू फील आफ्टर गेटिंग द अवार्ड?
Yeah, thank you. So Arjuna Award was one of my childhood dream because when I started playing this sport as professional, so these were the first awards which I wanted to achieve, because when I saw all the Indian players get this award on the National Sports Day, I'm like I want to know, I also want to get this award on the National Sports Day by achieving something big in my sport. And finally today I have it in my hands, and I feel very happy and very proud. I'm just thankful to all the people.
So it's like a dream coming true. Yes. You are a student of Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology. What is the facilities there for a game and sports like fencing? How you interact with other students, and what about the facilities there in the campus?
Yes. Firstly, I would say that KIT University is very lucky for me, because after joining the university, I got selected for the Olympics. Now I am receiving the Arjuna Award as the first Indian fencer from the fencing sport. So the facilities is amazing in the KIT University, which I have never seen in any other universities in India. And more than that, I feel that Dr. Samantha ji, he has the passion he has for the sport is what is motivating us to achieve more and more every year and every time when I represent India. And I think I'm very happy to meet such a very blessed person in my life, and I hope that with this blessing and support I will achieve more for our country.
What sort of inspiration he gives you? Because we have seen, even if after the Olympics and recently when you won the trophy there in France, he always tweets and he always talks about you, and he was the most happiest person when you got the Arjuna Award. What is the inspiration for you like?
For me, I always get surprised to see the passion and the love for the sports he have, and the support he is giving for the athletes and for the development of sports in the university or in the state. Because sometimes we have to ask for the support, but to him we don't have to ask. He will give the support before I ask, even before I think to ask him, because that's what surprised me. And I'm really, I don't have words to express my thankful for his support. I'm just blessed, and he always knows what I am doing, where I am, how I am training, how are my competitions and all. Even recently I won the France national competition in France, so he called me and he appreciated me. Also for the Arjuna Award, he called me and he was very, very happy, and he's more happy than I am. So I'm very thankful to him, and I just want to make him and make the country proud.
When you lost in the second round in Olympics, the whole country was disappointed. Then you won in France. What's your future plan? Which trophy you want to get into, and about the blessings the people of India and Odisha and particularly the students and your colleagues in KIT?
Yes, so yes, definitely Olympics. For me, it's the first time for India, so that's a big achievement. But of course, it's an unfortunate situation that I lost in the second round. But I did not give up, and I know I have to work really hard to achieve more results. So right now we have Asian Championship and Asian Games in July 2022, and then the Paris Olympic Games. And I will definitely work harder, and I will give my best, and I will make my country proud.
All the best, Bhavani Devi ji, and congratulations for the Arjuna Award from Kalinga TV and from Dr. Samant also.
Yes, thank you.
आम संगे थिले भवानी देवी जी कि अर्जुन अवार्ड पाइला परे से तांकर जो भोट ऑफ थैंक्स टा देइछंती सेटा किट रो स्टूडेंट्स मानकू एवं किट एवं किस रो प्रतिष्ठाता डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत को से तांकर आदर्श रूप में ग्रहण करिसेंती एवं तांको ठारू से जो प्रेरणा पाउछंती से सेटा को जीवन रे केभे भल पाइबेनी एवं सेही प्रेरणार उत्स को नहीं से आगो को आहुरी भल करिवे कंट्री पई आहुरी प्राइड आनिबे बोली भवानी देवींकर आशा एवं विश्वास। कैमरामैन रफिक खान सहित मु आशुतोष राउत, कलिंग टीवी, दिल्ली।